going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. I want to thank all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button for me. All right, guys, so when I purchased my Jeep, I ended up buying a aftermarket rear bumper for my Jeep, and it eliminated the factory third brake light that came with it. And I was fine with it for a while, but after a while, I was like, you know what? I need to put that back on. I feel like just the security of having another light lighting up and letting people know that I'm stopping is a great feature. So I looked around different companies and I found this place called Super Reef. They make a lot of great lighting for Jeeps and motorcycles. Check out their website. They have a lot of cool stuff. A lot of their products are actually found on Amazon as well, so that makes it really convenient. Anyways, I found one that had really good reviews and I ordered it and I got it in today. I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on and see how easy this actually works and how well it functions. All right, guys, so this is the box it came with. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get. Looks like we get a card. Instructions are pretty well laid out. The steps, what you need to do, how you run the wire, what you need to do, just cut it and splice it in together, and that is it. So it's pretty simple. But yeah, let's take this out of the box, take a look at this. All right. The wire is actually pretty long, so that's actually pretty handy because I'm gonna need a lot of wire. So yeah, this is actually looks pretty nice. All right, and different mounting locations. You have aftermarket wheel or different mounting. So this looks like it can mount up to different things. So, but yeah, this looks pretty nice. Should work pretty well. All right, so this is the rear bumper of my Jeep. Like I said, I need to remove the tire first. But the good thing about that new light is that it's got plenty of wire for this to reach, because when I open this all the way open, that wire is gonna have to reach all the way to the gate in order for it to still work. So the good thing that wire is pretty long, because this one's definitely not very long. So I'd have to open up both these in order for that light to still work. Grab our light. Put a limit here so we don't lose her. And I'm just gonna run it. Harness. Alright, guys, so once you get your wire ran through here, they want you to cut off the old connector and splice the new wires in here. But if you don't want to cut off your old connector, you can purchase these T-taps here. Basically how this works is you grab this connector here, put it in here, and close that down like this, and then the other side, and you put that in here, and then you'll pinch this off, and then you go ahead and that would be your connector. But I'm not going that way. But like I said, I'll put these in the list description below on where you can get these T-taps here. But like I said, yeah, this is a different route. If you don't want to cut off your old connector, you're afraid you're gonna go back to the factory one day, you can do it this way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the splice. All right, and kind of don't want to leave too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and black and black. Now I like to use this stuff called Tesla tape. It's kind of like electrical tape, but this is what the manufacturers use on their electrical harness and all their engine harnesses. So you look underneath an engine compartment, you'll find this kind of tape. It's kind of like a felt tape. It's not really I don't know how to describe it, but it's really nice tape, guys. So this is the stuff professionals use, so this is the one I like to use. Do the other one. So before I go ahead and cover the rest of it with the wire, I'm gonna go ahead and check to see if everything works before I get crazy with it. So when I close this, I'm gonna have quite a bit of it left over in the bottom. I don't want that much, so instead of cutting it, I'm just gonna grab some zip ties and basically just zip tie some of this away. That way I still have some more. If I need some later on, I can go ahead and release them. So it's always better to have more than not. So that should be enough. Yeah, that way I just have a little bit hanging down and not a big old slack hanging down. That's still enough for me to open this and open this together if I have to. So put the tire back on. Whew. All right, so that was pretty simple. Like I said, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. It took me less than 15 minutes. If you don't want to cut out the connector, you don't have to. Like I said, you can use those T-tabs. I'll put those T-tabs down below where you can get them. I'll even link out those wire strippers I was using. Pretty handy tools if you've never seen before. Like I said, really easy. If you have any issues, any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. And we'll see you guys on the next one.